Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today we're reacting to an American Idol, so if you're brand new, be sure to subscribe. We got Pitbull and Lil Jon. Mr. Worldwide, eh? Dude, I wonder how old this guy is, bro, because this guy used to be lit when I was in high school and in like element and middle school, because this guy used to go off and he's still going off today, man. You know what I'm saying? There's only a few niggas that can do that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's one thing to get at the top, and it's another thing to stay at the top for like decade after decade, you know what I'm saying? Because some people just get to the top and then they just get comfortable and relax, you know what I'm saying? So this guy, look how energetic he is too. Look, he's jumping, bored like Vin Diesel, like Vin Diesel looking motherfucker. Should have had Neo here, man. I like the suit too. Still sounds good, man. His voice still sounds amazing.
American Idol!
Damn, this nigga's getting old, man. See how that. Oh yeah, bro. Where's Nia? That's why I said they should brought Nia, because I was thinking of this song, man. You know, Mr. World.
Yeah, right. Picture that with a Kodak. Go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want you to know that.
Wait, this is Neo's part. I wonder what's gonna happen here.
Tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, American Idol. That's right.
No! Why didn't you say Neo? Why are you replacing Neo with this shitty what are these shitty like young guys that can't sing, man? You know what I'm saying? Neo sings like these niggas can't sing for shit, bro. Neo like better than all these motherfuckers. Wait, bro, that guy looks like Jesus Christ, bro. Oh, this guy. This guy's a Hawaiian king, eh? Wow, that looks lit, bro. Look, the blue, pink. I like the colors, bro. That's nice. Neon. But did you sleep? I'm gonna fall on top of your girl. Wait, what? Wasn't supposed to go like that? You're supposed to... Dude, who's that nigga there, bro? And who's that? Was that Cardi B? Yeah. Nah, that's not Cardi B, is it? She's beautiful, though. Dude, and that dress is so nice, man. That's like neon blue. Wow, that sounds pretty lit, bro. Hey, people went off, man. Let's go.
Can't get enough.
Dude, that was awesome, man. Oh my god. I really hope you did enjoy, man. If you did enjoy, be sure you subscribe, man. And drop a like too so other niggas can see this, man. This channel is going crazy right now. I might even go as far as to say it's better than the Britain's Got Talent. But that's a hard thing, you know what I'm saying, pal? So have a great rest of your day, guys. I love you and I'm out. Peace.